Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Mycelium wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for Mycelium wallet on your mobile device, first make sure that you've downloaded the application. Go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store if you're using your Android, and in the search box, search for Mycelium. Once you perform your search, make sure to download this application that says Mycelium Bitcoin Wallet. Simply tap on the download button right next to it to begin the downloading process. Once the application gets downloaded, tap on the open button to launch the app open, and this is the first interface of your Mycelium wallet. In order to sign up or create a new wallet, tap on the new wallet button from the page. Follow the on-screen prompts and it will ask you to back up your 12-word phrases that will be shown to you on the next page in order to avoid losing your funds. Tap on backup now in order to back up the 12 words right now, and remember that you should not reveal your secret recovery phrases or your master seed to anyone, since it might be harmful for your account and you might lose your funds. Tap on the start button in order to reveal your phrases. If you want to allow Mycelium to use your Face ID if you're using your iPhone, then tap on the OK button. And on the next page, you'll be able to see your 12 words master seed one by one. Simply write down your phrases in a piece of a paper and tap on the next word. You'll be able to see all of these words displayed on the screen one by one. Simply write it down and tap next word again. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter all of the words separated by spaces that you just wrote down in this box. Once you type in all the words in the correct order in the text box, tap the next button and your backup for your Mycelium wallet will be completed. All you need to do now is to keep your master seed safe whenever you want to restore your wallet. Tap on the finish button and that is your Mycelium wallet displayed on the screen. With your Mycelium Bitcoin wallet, you can send and receive Bitcoins, Ethereum and ERC20 tokens like Tether USD, USD Coin, Hobby token and so much more. That way you can easily create or sign up for Mycelium wallet using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.